Alright, y'all. It is June the 9th. This is Steve Webb with Sun Up, Sundown. We are in David Mojica's boat. We are going to do, Dave, what we're going to do today?
Play around with the graph and go look for some hybrids.
Alright, hybrids and white, y'all. It's that squid right there. I was the first mate, but I got fired. And, well, she's first mate now. So I guess I'm squid. Alright, y'all. Be back with a fish. We're on Lake Belton. We are going to be trolling with deep diving crankbaits and a pet spoon with a hellbender rig. Alright, y'all. We go. Well, y'all, Bailey's got a fish. Bailey, what does it feel like?
Fine. This is hard. But I got it.
You got it?
Bring him in.
Okay, yeah, let's see what she got.
Don't give up. There he is.
Oh, he's a little bitty guy.
Yep.
Well, yeah, we're trolling on Belton Lake. We got another one. It is the June 9th, 2018. And the whites are schooling out here. And let's see what Mr. Dirty Whiskers has. That's not bad, Dave.
Small.
Y'all having fun?
Yes.
Oh yeah, he's gonna fight now. Oh yeah.
Does he find hard, Bailey?
Yeah.
Oh, that's a nice one.
Keeping it.
Yes, ma'am. You want him? I know. Keep the rod up.
Well, yeah, we got a hybrid.
Keep the rod up. Don't let it go.
Bailey's got a hybrid. Now, Bailey, this is the hardest fighting fish in Belton Lake.
I see white.
You see color. What you got, y'all? Oh, wow.
Hold I see a picture. Is that long leader?
It's like, yeah.
Don't reel no more. Just bring him up. Bring him this way. There you go.
Nice, Bailey.
At least I did it.
Yeah, Bailey, you're bleeding. Why are you bleeding?
Where?
Okay.
That's baptized.
Okay. We got a fish there. We got a fish over there, y'all. That's nice.
You gonna hold him? No.
She says you can have your pole, too. Is that one legal?
I don't know.
Okay, we're going to check.
Open that. See if that ruler's in there. No.
Man, that pole just bent over, did it?
Yeah. Oh, that's legal.
Oh, yeah, it's legal, yeah. There you go, y'all. It's 20, almost 20 inches.
Yeah.
Okay.
You gonna take a picture with it?
That's the big fish.
No. Keep attention.
Go. God.
Well, y'all, Bailey's got another hybrid.
Oh,
This should be good.
You got him? Keep tension on him. Remember, you gotta
Whoa.
see.
Oh, gosh.
What is
Right, keep tension. Don't lose him.
Is it hard?
Point your rod down just a little bit this way. Get him over here. That's what we want. Get him over here. Come up on the deck. Stand on the deck. Step up. There you go. Now you can fight him. Bring him over that way. There you go. Yeah, keep him that way. There, see, there's color.
We got color, y'all.
Come on, reel it in.
That's,
Come on.
dang. Wow. Bailey, that's huge.
And I caught it.
Yes, you did.
9-year-old caught
Thank you.
A lot of work. Billy.
So first mates,
actually a lot of them.
so I don't get to reel in no fish. I
There you
just
go.
nice, Bailey. That's a good one.
All right, pick it up. There you go. Swing it.
Wow.
There you go. That's a nice one.
Is that a hybrid or what, Dave?
I'm going to say it's a white.
Okay.
There he is.
Whoa.
Bring him on in.
Nice, Bailey.
Reel down to him and then pull him in. There you go. There you go. Bring it right over here. Good job. All right, hold him right there. You got him? All right, bring him this way. Back up. Good job,
Well, yeah, we
first
got-
mate. That's what I'm talking about.
We got a double. We got that one. We got that one. Sorry, Dave.
You're all right.
Bailey, you having fun?
What up, man?
Bailey, what that one feel like?
It's like a horse pulling you on the ground.
Y'all, Bailey is whacking and stacking today. Now, when the boat swings around, that's when you got to really reel down up on them, okay?
Is he on there? Start reeling. Doing good.
David, I noticed one thing. With the kid in the boat, you calm down. Look what Mr. Mojica has. Look what David's got one. Bailey's got one. What is y'all's trick? Can you tell these YouTube subscribers what are you guys doing? What's y'all's trick?
Using Hubba Bubble.
Hubba bubble. Wow. Man, you guys are just tearing them up. Bailey, can you tell me a trick of yours?
I did a secret kind of.
Oh, okay. Well, y'all, Steve Webb with Sun Up, Sun Down. I got Mr. Mojica. I got Mrs. Webb. Did y'all have a good day?
Oh, yeah.
What'd you think what'd you think about that Hellbender pet spoon rig?
It was actually
Pretty
pretty good.
good.
The y'all got the vibe.
Okay. Well, y'all, Steve Webb. God bless.